Okay, going to see why these master padlock keys are not working straight out of the machine. So I'm going to duplicate one here. I've already cut 10. I managed to get them to work eventually in all three padlocks, but need to be able to duplicate them easily. My machine's cutting perfectly, I know that. So we'll just clean these out here. Okay, let's see if that works in the padlock. Padlock here, straight out of the machine, brand spanking new, made in Mexico, master padlock, and it does not work. There we go, now it works. So people think that's inconsistency. Well, I think it's inconsistency. There you go, it works in that one now. 3 padlocks key alike, didn't work so bad. But I have to check every single individual one, and every single time these customers go to Ace Hardware or any other duplicator, those people say, if you haven't got the padlock with you, it's not worth cutting them. And this is exactly why. Because master padlocks, unfortunately, the quality has gone way down. I'm going to cut another one here and see if it works again. Extra here. Alright, let's take the padlock. Here's the padlock. Straight in. Nope, doesn't work. Nope, doesn't work. Wiggle, wiggle, starts to work. And people are going to say that's a consistency problem with my machine. It's not. I've had to check on every single one. Here's another, I'll give you another example. That's just the one key, the original key. Here's another copy of the same original key. Alright, we'll set it up in our machine, and we know our machine's cutting right because we've already cut millions of these keys and other keys. Set it up, make sure it's lined up correctly, nice and tight. Duplicate. Straight into the padlock. Oh, look at that, it works perfectly. Oh, son of a gun, one never ceases to amaze. And that one works pretty good too. And that one works pretty good through. So you can see there's inconsistency across the whole range of these padlocks. A little disappointing, but that's why they're called locksmiths instead of regular key cutters. Bye.